Pretty good, little crooked there. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. And a little crooked there. Crooked, crooked, little crooked there. Really crooked here because the phone rang. Little crooked. Really crooked here. Not really sure what happened. Really crooked here. No idea what happened there. Really good, pretty good, pretty good. Here we go. Pretty good. We ran out of material, so I had to put two pieces together here. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Back here. All in all, I'd say it was a pretty good, successful time.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, you got the old Mongo man here. It is Monday afternoon, Monday early evening. Sitting down here in the upholstery shop with none other than my beautiful wife. And we are working on interior parts. Mainly because yesterday afternoon I got a case of the gout and can barely walk right now. I did go get some prednisone and we are waiting for it to take hold so that I can keep moving here. But for the meanwhile, this is where you got me. This is what I'm doing. Sitting here at the console, working on seat parts. Just got that cover done, and a whole bunch of beading for the side panels. So Cheryl's over here cutting some beading out, I think, right, Cheryl?
Yep.
And she's been at it all day here. She got a lot of this stuff ready, and I just swooped in and kind of took over the operator's chair, which she's probably happy about, I think. Are you happy about that?
Yep.
Yeah. This is not one of her favorite machines. A little too complicated, but anyway, we're going to continue on here and get some more stuff done. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? You got the old Mongo man with you down here in the upholstery shop tonight. We spent most of the evening down here. I did not go to football practice tonight because of the gout in my foot. Figured what good would I be up on the field hobbling around. So I stayed down here and left-footed the sewing machine all night. My foot is feeling much better already. I took my first round of steroids there today, about 4 o'clock. So definitely doing a lot better. But we got a lot of stuff done today. Cheryl actually has been working almost all day and did a bunch of sewing. And then, so what we were able to come up with essentially is all of the cushions, the inner cushions for the back seat are done. This is the medium cushion for the middle of the back. This is the top of the back. This is the seat cushion for the very bottom. This is the piece that actually comes up underneath of it, and this piece here goes in between it for that, what I've been calling that knee cushion. That's what this is. So yeah, I'm very pleased with how these all came out. You can see there the piping looks really nice, straight, even, not all wavy. Some places you can still see, like here, you know, you can pick up that thread, but for the most part it looks really nice. Starting to clean up things down here a little bit. We did start putting things together as far as all of the cushions that are going to go together, and that's what we have there. Those are actually both of the bow seat cushions, the windshield cushions, the cushions that go right under the windshield, and then both of the front bow cushions. So the only thing that's not down here right now is the side cushions, which this is all the foam for it. Left and right side cushions, the ones that have the arch in them, they're not in here because I have to drill those and put the screws and stuff in them so that they'll mount. But all of this is going to leave tomorrow. That's football stuff. And the bikes hopefully will go over into the cave, and we're gonna start putting stuff together down here. I also want to show you what else we did tonight. Give me a minute. So here we are over in the den of the downstairs. And what we have over here, we put the side panels in here so that they wouldn't get damaged. And this is what they look like completed. If you look here now, you can see that we did get the top and bottom edging on them. Kind of dark, but yeah, it wraps all the way around the front. Very happy with how that turned out. All the way back, down the side. So yeah, those all look really nice. And that one right there is the driver's side, and that one is the passenger side. So yeah, KJ and Jackie were able to get the boat back in the garage tonight. Now that it's back in here, I can mount most of the cushions, at least put the holes in the cushions to where they need mounted, put the screws in them, and then we can move on from there. Cheryl was also very busy out here in the garage today, and as you can see, made room for the boat. It actually looks very nice, and I do appreciate her help with that. And moving right along here. So yeah. Got a lot of work done tonight. Last night we did put together one of the side bolsters here, as you can see, for the rear seat. That's kind of what it looks like. Don't look at that, you'll never see that. That's well below the whatchamacallit. And I think what that ended up being was something got it. But yeah, these came out really nice. Not too tight, not too loose. Got plenty of protection in them. So yeah, that's one. We got the other one made, I just haven't put it together yet. And the seat will hopefully end up living down in the seat will hopefully end up living down in the upholstery shop, hopefully tomorrow, and we can continue on with working in the boat and figuring everything out from there. All right, so that's it for the Mongo Man tonight. I am going to put this video together, get it posted, and then I am going to bed. Like I said, my toe is feeling so much better, I might actually be able to sleep tonight. So in the meantime, thanks for watching. Thanks for checking us out. Mongo Man is out.